Hey there guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a story that's very personal to me, my journey of reversing my kidney disease. For those of you who don't know, I was diagnosed with kidney disease a few years ago, and it was a huge shock. But through a combination of a healthy lifestyle and diet, I was able to avoid kidney dialysis and eventually reverse my condition. So, I wanted to share my story with you and hopefully inspire some of you who might be going through a similar situation. It all started when I went to the doctor for a routine checkup and was told that my kidney function was not as strong as it should be. I was devastated. I had always considered myself to be a healthy person, but it turned out that my diet and lifestyle choices were taking a toll on my body. The doctor recommended that I start dialysis, but I was determined to avoid it if I could. That's when I started researching alternative ways to treat kidney disease. I read books, talked to experts, and experimented with different foods and exercises. I discovered that a plant-based diet was the most effective way to support kidney function, and I started incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into my meals. I also started exercising regularly and practicing stress-reducing techniques like yoga and meditation. At first, it was a struggle. I had to completely change my eating habits and find new ways to manage stress. But slowly, I started to notice changes. My energy levels improved, I started losing weight, and my kidney function began to stabilize. After a few months, I went back to the doctor for a checkup and was surprised to learn that my kidney function had actually improved. I was thrilled. It felt like all my hard work was finally paying off. Fast forward to today, and I'm happy to report that my kidney function is completely back to normal. I never had to go through dialysis, and I'm so grateful for that. I've learned so much about my body and my health through this experience, and I'm passionate about sharing that knowledge with others who might be struggling with kidney disease. If I can reverse my kidney disease through diet and lifestyle changes, I truly believe that anyone can. So, if you're going through a similar situation, know that you're not alone. There is hope, and there are alternative ways to treat kidney disease. With the right mindset and determination, you can make changes that will positively impact your health and your life. Thank you for tuning in to my story, and I hope it's been helpful and inspiring. For a step-by-step guide to beat your kidney disease, click on the link below.